This 2027 Palomino Puma 420 LFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer RV features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Palomino Puma 420 LFT is 13,024 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.